Hi everyone, I'm back. What I'm gonna be making for you on this cold, snowy day. We got about 2 inches of snow this morning. Supposed to get 12. Thank God we didn't. Anyway, I'm gonna make, what's the best thing to have on a cold, snowy day? Soup. I love soup. I don't know about you guys, but soup to me is very fulfilling. Is that how you say fulfilling? That's a tongue twister. Anyway, it's a very fulfilling dish on a cold, wintry day. So what I have here, melting in this pot, is a half a stick of butter. Once it starts to melt, what I will be doing is putting the onions in. What I have here is an onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, about 3 cups of broccoli florets, carrots julienne. I have some Dijon mustard just to give it a little twang, 2 cups of vegetable broth, and 2 cups of half and half. You could use milk if you want, or you could use cream if you want it richer. And about a 1/4 cup of flour, which is gonna thicken it up a little bit. So once all the butter is melted, rich, creamy broccoli cheddar. This is not something your Italian grandmothers used to make, but I'm not your usual Italian grandmother. I make all kinds of things. I like to experiment, and I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes until the onions get translucent, and I'll be back. Okay, so the onions have been sauteing for 5 minutes. I'm gonna add the garlic. And by the way, if I didn't mention, this is broccoli cheddar cheese soup, which is very delicious. Now you're gonna saute the garlic with the onions for about a minute. Not that much. There you go, look. See, it's all blended. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the flour. This is gonna thicken this soup a little bit. Now you could use just milk if you want, but I like to give it a little bit more creaminess, so I use half and half. And there have been times when I've used just cream, but
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream. That's the peanut gallery telling me. That happens to be my son. Okay, see? It's coagulating. You like that word? Coagulating. Yep. So what I'm going to do, a little at a time, I'm going to add the half and half as I stir it. Oh, that smells good. Okay. And stir this for a couple of minutes. I'll be back when it's ready. Okay, so we're back. And this has been, I've been stirring this for about 2 minutes. And I don't just, I don't want you guys waiting. It makes the video so long. It says the average watch time on the videos are under 3 minutes, so I'm trying to make it as brief as possible without I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let's add the broccoli. As I said, about 3 cups of broccoli. It's the chicken broth, excuse me, vegetable broth. This is vegetable broth. And the julienne carrot, a large julienne carrot. Now this is going to take a little bit because the broccoli has to cook. Now you could raise the flame a little bit, medium high. And as it cooks, you could break up the broccoli because you don't want big chunks. You want little pieces. Whenever I make my vegetable salad, my pasta salad, my son, Paul, he makes sure that he cuts up the broccoli really, really tiny. He said, nobody wants big chunks in your mouth. Isn't that true, Paul? And this is some Dijon mustard. Just gives it a little kick. And here's my utensils. So get this mixed very well. Get the Dijon mustard mixed in very well. And we're gonna let this cook for about 15-20 minutes. And I'll let you know the actual time when I come back. This is gonna be delicious. You put the cheese in at the end so you get the full flavor of the cheese. So we're gonna be back in about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 20 minutes. I added a little bit of salt. At this point, you can add some pepper if you like. And what I'm gonna do is add the cheese a little bit at a time and stir in between each addition. So here, add the cheese, mix it around, and keep adding the cheese. This is about 2 cups of cheese. If you want more, add more. If you don't want as much, don't add as much. It's all to your personal preference or taste. Now, if you want, you could make some croutons. Croutons are wonderful in this. Also in pea soup, croutons are very good. Well, maybe I should make a video on croutons. I don't know, but you could buy the croutons if you don't want to make them. They're very easy to make. Okay, that's it on the cheddar. And just cook this for another few minutes and it'll be done. Take a peek at that soup. Delicious looking. Okay, and that's wonderful broccoli cheddar soup. I hope you try it. Very easy dish to make. And until next time.